What up, YouTube? Back on the 63 Impala. Took the wheel wells, split them in half, cut them at the spot wells, split them in half. So I'm gonna do my patching to this other wheel well over here that I have to say, I know this might be a lot of trouble to go through for a wheel well, but wheelhouse that is, but something's got to be done. Convertible ones are not reproduced. And the hard top ones just throw everything out. So $250 wheel well just cut in half. But my approach to it is going to be, this is the old wheel well right here. I don't know if you can see it. Try to adjust that. It's the old wheel right here, and I'm trying to take all the bracketry off, the old gas, whatever that is, gas hole. There's a couple of holes up here that need to be patched. And of course, the lip always need to be patched. But the approach I'm going to take to it is, I got this half of the wheel well sitting up under the old one. You can see exactly where the rod is, so I'll trace around the rod in there. Try to get some good pictures for somebody else who may do this in the future. It's a pretty good fit with the old wheel well. I mean, this comes out like almost exactly. A lot of people talk about Dynacorn parts, but they pretty much got the best fit of any panel that I've seen. I heard the AMD panels got a good fit too, but from the ones I've dealt with, Dynacorn is about the closest fit. And they still have some tweaking with those too, but they got a really good fit on their panel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and I'm gonna cut all the bad out. This right here, especially do a trace over it, and get the lip back right there, which we just need that anyway. Clean that up. That's you. But yeah, I'm gonna do one side at a time. As you can see, the metal is not in that bad a condition. On the top part, the part I really need, it's not in that bad a condition, and everything else seems to just line up. So it's gonna be my approach to it is to cut out the bad part probably first, sit it on top of the good panel, trace it, cut it, whatever patch piece I need. It's $250 wheelhouse. I'm probably only going to use a quarter of it. So, oh well. But this is what you have to do in the car game, I guess. So, yeah. When I go ahead and weld that back wheelhouse, this whole panel back, as you can see, it's missing. Mostly give me a true as to where this panel needs to be. So you can even see what it's sitting on there, how low the original sits versus how high the aftermarket sits. So we won't use any of this right here. I find something to do with it. We got a good 90-degree angle right here. I don't have a metal brake, so anywhere I may need a 90. It's at a 90 or 45. I'm not even sure right now. This guy's working here is somewhere else, but yeah. That's the approach we're gonna take to it and get this thing fixed. Going through a lot to try to get this fixed, but I don't like the aftermarket one, so we're gonna use the regular one. I should have really got this blasted first. Probably cost like $10 to get it blasted, and then we know exactly what we got. But I'll probably just end up wire wheeling everything. Wire wheeling all this rust right here. That's going to be on the other panel, and the other panel get fitted. So as far as this one goes, basically the baddest area right here. Going up to the flange. Basically the baddest area. Cut this off as one whole piece because it's the same. This part is the same on the hard top as it is on the convertible. So kind of luffed out. Kind of actually looks worse than it is. Even if I have to fill these holes right here, the drill out to get those brackets off we already have on the car. And we're missing a whole piece right here, just a nice little chunk of metal we missing. That's probably what makes it look so ragged in these cars tend to rust from the bottom in the north. And in the south, they tend to rust from the top down. Everybody I know in Texas won't need a roof for the car. Because the sun, once it eats that paint off the top, you got a problem on your hand in the south. So they all looking for roofs and top parts of the car, hoods and trunk lids and stuff. Whereas in the north, we looking for floors and bottoms of wheel wells and wheel houses and rockers and the bottom of the car, the bottom of the doors and that sort of thing. So, yep, that's what another explanation. I really wanted to make this video because I couldn't find any information on it when I was searching for it. As far as the wheel wells went, as far as the rockers went, so that's why I'm doing so much in depth on the wheel wells and rockers, just so it'd be some kind of information out there. Maybe somebody can use it. You know, you ain't gotta like the video or nothing like that, but maybe in the future somebody can use it and it'll help them throughout their project. Because I know I done received a ton of help from guys on the forum, just advice or parts or recommendations where to go for stuff, links. So try to pay it back like anybody I can help. All right then, YouTube. Till next time.